Hello, little explorers. Today we're asking a big question. Why do giraffes have such long necks? Let's find out. This is a giraffe, the tallest animal on land, with the longest neck. Food up high. On the savanna, tall trees hide tasty leaves. But not everyone can reach them. Evolution explained. Long ago, giraffes had shorter necks. But over many years, the ones with longer necks survived better and passed it on. More neck advantages. A long neck also helps giraffes see danger from far away, and even battle gently with other giraffes. Recap. Why do giraffes have long necks? Eat tall leaves. Spot predators. Neck battles. So you see, long necks help giraffes survive and thrive in their world. If you had a long neck like a giraffe, what would you do first? Imagine that. Leave a comment to let Dr. Mew know. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time for more fun questions. Bye-bye.